I have a question from chapter 35, verse 43.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم واقسموا باللہ جہد ایمانہم لئن جاءہم نذیر لیکونن احدی من احدی الامم فلما جاءہم نذیر ما زادہم الا نفورا. And they swore by Allah their strongest oaths that if a warner came to them, they would follow guidance better than any other people. But when a warner came to them, it only increased them in aversion.
Also, my question is, if this verse is applicable to the condition of the Muslims after the, if this verse is applicable to the condition of the Muslims after the advent of the Prophet Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam.
I think it's applicable in the first place to the situation prevailing at the time of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The people of Arab were not warned for a long time, including the Jews and the Christians, etc. In the Arab world, for a long time there had not appeared any prophet of God. So they used to boast, if a prophet came to us, we'd be the most well-guided people in the world, not like those who went astray. Then the Prophet of God, Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came as a warner, and they rejected him. So, just to swear by God, the strongest of oaths, is not sufficient. They should have begged Allah to help them to accept this warner. The same, of course, applies to the present day. Before Hazrat Masih Maud, all the Muslims were waiting for a warner of this time in the form of Imam Mahdi or a Jesus as they thought, personal Jesus ﷺ, but they were waiting anyway. And they were making vows that once it comes to us, we'll aid him. We'll offer every sacrifice for the sake of Islam. But when he came, we just denied and rejected him and followed the same path as the people of the time of Rasulullah ﷺ had done. Right?